One, two, three. Welcome to Crockery Mountain.
We actually believe that there's 10,000 individual items embedded in Crockery Mountain that have been donated by members of the public from Waterford and further afield.
It's a day I've been waiting for 15 years because this project has been in the pipeline, a dream of mine for 15 years.
It is amazing to actually see it here in Dungarvan. I think Sean's work as an environmental artist, his sense of place and identity, and his ability to influence and inspire community groups is absolutely fantastic.
The real meaning behind Crockery Mountain is as simple as why do we have so much stuff? And crockery is an item that there hasn't really been many conversations around the consumer side of why do we have so many plates? Why do we have so many mugs and cups and saucers in our homes? So it's a kind of a conversation starter to hopefully signal some behaviour change, and that's what it's kind of all about.
I would like to say that there's 150 people who have made this possible, so I'm really only the catalyst. Big round of applause for those volunteers! Whole collection, and that's all I could fit in. That took Patsy 3 days to ground it alone.
Wow.